Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to repair cracked or split fingernail and prevent the same thing in the future. So this is what I have learned from my wife. She was a successful nail tech for a couple of years. She had 2 salons, so I think she knows what to do. I mean, it's not a professional thing. It's not the same thing if you go to like a nail salon or so. Probably they would put like a gel coating on top of it. But if you want to have just a very quick repair and have some improvement for the future, that it won't crack again very soon, so this is what I do. I bought basically this ultra quick nail glue. This is very cheap, cost just a couple of dollars, maybe $3 or $4 was that. By the way, if you don't have this and you have this like a normal super glue, instant glue, you maybe could use this thing, but this is not professional advice. This is just what I did in the past. I did some research on that and I found that the super glue with gel is usually exactly same thing as you would have here if you buy these things like real nail glue. Don't use the super cheap ultra quick drying thing, the thin liquid here. This is the gel. The gel should usually be the same thing as this one here. And why is this important? I mean, first thing, it doesn't dry so fast, and second thing is that it's more safe. If you're using the thin liquid, it has some cancerous things which could be a little bit harmful. I mean, it won't kill you instantly. This thing is the same thing which you're using during the surgery when they cannot use anything else to put tissues together. So this is something which is usually pretty safe. So what I do, I mean, I have this cracked here and I have done already some repair, but I'll show you this thing again. So I just open this thing here. You have to be careful that you don't touch 2 fingers or so. So I'll put this thing like 1 drop here. I hope you can see that. So it's focusing. Yeah, I hope so. I'll put 1 drop here till you see the drop. I think you can see a drop here at the tip. And then I take a toothpick and I spread it everywhere, especially of course in this area where it has cracked here. It has cracked here in on the tip in the front, but I always spread it everywhere here in this area, so that makes the nail then a little bit thicker in the whole area here and prevents from further cracking in the future. Yeah, don't touch with other hands, otherwise your fingers could stick together. I'm always using such a toothpick and I always make sure that it's a little bit flowing underneath. It could be that for some hours you could feel a little bit strange feeling that the nail and the skin is sticking together. Don't worry, it will go away. You don't have to do anything. If it's not enough, I'll put a little bit more. It's a little bit difficult to see behind the camera, really at the tip. Yeah, I have put a lot now. It should be good to use it everywhere, spread it everywhere. I mean, if you have another person to help you, you can ask if they can lift. Usually there's one side which is already lifted up a little bit, and they can use maybe a tweezers to lift it up even more, and then put also some glue in between the both cracked sides. So but if you don't have somebody, if you're alone like me here at the moment at least, yeah, I hope you can see that. You can see there's almost like a gel coating here. I spread this thing all over the nail, especially in this area where I always have cracked things here. And so I'll put this thing here, and it's important to leave it for a couple of minutes till everything is perfectly dry, and after that you can give it a nice finish with a file. What I'm using here is this ceramic file. and this is working pretty good. Also on the glue, yeah, I think I have to close this again, I forgot. Yeah, this is what I'm using. This is also very cheap, very good. You can see it has also cracked. I let it fall. I also used this glue to repair, and it is still good, maybe for a couple of weeks or months, and it's doing a great job. What I do, of course, at the tip, I'll file a little bit, and then also on the top to make it absolutely flat, and usually that works. If it comes back, I'll do it again. And so at the end, sometimes I have 2, 3, or even 4 coatings, and that makes sure that everything keeps together and it stays for this like a very long time. This nail is like thinner anyway. I don't know. I mean, I'm getting older, and then sometimes this happens that fingernails are getting weaker. And when I have this extra coating of glue on top of that, I really can feel that it's much stronger and it doesn't crack as often as without. So sometimes even when I don't have a crack, I just put a layer of this on top and make sure that it doesn't crack as easy as without. So that's my basic advice. So of course, no professional advice, this is just what I do. It helped me, and I hope it will help you too. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.